Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to align texts in Canva. First of all, simply open Canva on your device, open up a new project and type something. In here, I already have a project opened, so let's try to align text in this section. Simply click on the text you want to align. Then on the menu bar, you will see something like alignment next to the list. The alignment looks like 4 lines, a big line followed by a small line, then again a big line followed by a small line. Now simply click on the alignments and you will see your text has been aligned differently as you per click. Well guys, this is how you align text in Canva. For more informational videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.